everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Spriggy school account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, open your web browser. Type in the official URL for Spriggy School, that is spriggyschools.com.au. From the main homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will now need to enter your email address and password associated with Spriggy School. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions to reset your password. After filling in your details, click on Sign In, and this will now log you in to Spriggy School's main homepage. That's how you can easily log in to Spriggy Schools in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.